Never
Remember I had a profile picture? Is it on? Is it recording?
It's recording. I saw.
Did it say wreck?
Yeah, it says wreck.
It's wreck.
Wait, when do I
wreck this shit
up?
up?
Nigga, wait, son.
Wait, let's go to the street. Let's go to the sidewalk.
Guys, this is Jason Cage here.
Bike lane.
And bike, wait, man.
Wait, we'll go on bike lane. We're not gonna take it. Preset it right there.
Ready?
Yeah, go. Yo, you fat ass.
Yo, this is gonna be mad fun. Let's go.
Yo, you mad fat.
Ah, my ass. Oh, dude.
I got you. Go.
go?
Yeah. Don't drop me, man. Oh, dude, I got a flashlight on my ass.
What you guys? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh god, I didn't catch that. Fuck!
What's your problem?
I didn't. Oh fuck! Yo, I didn't catch it.
It tilted over.
Yo, I think I did. Nah. I was chasing gas.
What the fuck?
Alright? Okay, guys.
No, we're not done. I want to get back on this. This is fun. We're going to get back on. Yeah. I'm resting on this side. That's on your feet. That's why you fell over.
I need to save you guys, man.
Press record. Press record, right?
It's already recording.
No, press record again. Stop it. We're going to record again.
Alright, where's that button?
Yo, take a picture for
I'm recording. Go.
What do you not catch it for, man?
I'm recording. I think I did.
Oh, you didn't get that. Yo, move this. Pull that way. Pull.
What do you mean pull that way?
Push. Okay, ready? Go.
Woo! Rock and roll, baby! What the fuck? Yeah! Woo-hoo!
Chill.
Oh, shit! What the fuck is your problem, man?
Get up.
Ah, fuck you, man!
Get up.
Dude, my leg! Fuck your ass!
I need to zoom out, yo.
Yo, in the middle of the road, fucking right
Yo, you can stop recording.
Frostbite to my ass!
Stop recording. Shit. You don't.